Today we are going to see the series connection biasing. Only series connection we are going to see today, and the biasing we are going to see positive biasing as well as negative biasing. Now there are the four output that we are going to see today: the first, second, third, fourth. Now I have told you series. This is your series positive clipper with positive bias. The first one. Series positive clipper means this diode is connected in an anti-parallel across the input, and this is the load we were taking across the output. Now this is the new term that we have included, the positive bias. Now suppose if this was not there, now what would be the condition? If D is off, suppose if D is off, then what will be the output voltage? It was 0 initially, but now I have inserted some biasing voltage. Whatever the biasing voltage will be there, either positive biasing or negative, that will be coming over here. Now in case of negative biasing, the negative voltage will be coming over here if this is off. Now we have just need to see the diode is on or off. Now here we are seeing the diode is off in this period, that's why the voltage has been set to B reference. This is called the biasing. This is the positive biasing that we have done, positive biasing. Now if I reverse the polarity of this bias, if I make this polarity, if I insert this polarity over here, now the reverse has been set to negative, and before this voltage and before this time it was D was off, that's why V naught is V reference, means in this time D is off, that is why it is V reference, otherwise it is in V in. Now same here in these two circuit, here also this is a series clipper only, but this time it will be clipping the negative half. Now for negative half clipping, we used to connect the diode in series, means this is the series only, but this way diode is to connect. Now if this was not there, in positive cycle diode would be working and this will be short circuited, and whatever the input it was there, same output we were getting. Means if D is on this time, V output will be V in. Means now I have set the V reference. Whenever D is off, V will be V reference. Now in negative cycle, if this is not there, if suppose V reference is 0, then in negative cycle we were getting 0. Now we have made the sum here positive bias, so it will be here positive bias. This will be the our reference. Now if I change this reference with the negative voltage, now again there will be happening, something will be happening in a negative cycle only, because it will block the negative cycle. So here it will when D is off in this period, it will be output will be your V reference. D is off between this period, here D was off in this period. That we are going to connect and see. Now here how we connect this one, how we get this one, positive voltage and negative voltage. We have scientific means voltage generator, which generate voltage up to I think 30 volt. Two knob is there, 30 volt, plus 30 and minus 30. Now this is both are given for 30 only. This is connected with some ground, this is also connected with some ground. What we have done, we have connected these 2 points and we have made a common ground. So this will be working as a plus 30 and this will be working as a minus 30. Now if you want to see, now this is the voltage source of 30 volt and this is again the voltage source of 30 volt. What I have done, I have taken the positive over one terminal and the negative over one terminal and made the same ground. So this will be giving plus voltage and this will be giving minus voltage. First we are going to see how plus and minus voltage we are going to get in the voltage generator. Now if you want to see what I have done, this is the negative I have taken, this is the your black one is your negative, and this is the output that we have taken. The black one is negative and this is positive. See, plus here and minus here, the plus here and minus here, these two are now for the changing the input, means output voltage that we are getting. Now what I have done, I have connected positive of one terminal and negative of another terminal. So this will become negative voltage and this is going to give you positive voltage. Now here I have made a common ground on the breadboard. If you see, common ground has been connected on the breadboard. Now if you want to, let me zoom on the voltage generator. Now from here, if you see, this is your positive, this is your negative terminal of this voltage. From here we can change the voltage, and this is for the fine arrangement, means here it will be changing in 1 2, here it will be changing in 0.1, and this is for the current. This also generates a current. Here also this is dual supply, means 2 voltage it will be generating. And if you see the display is above. See, this is for the first A channel and this is for the B channel, means 2 different kind of voltage it can generate. Now what I have done the grounding. If you see, the negative of 1 and positive 1 has been made common, and from here I have taken one common ground. This wire, if I connect this positive wire, you understand as a positive reference, and if I connect this black wire, you take it as a negative reference. Now I am going to connect on breadboard. Now here understand the circuit. This is the diode we have taken. Here we are applying input, and this is your resistance where the output is taken. Now what I am going to do, this is the ground of the voltage supply that we are going to insert. And what I am going to do, I am going to insert this red wire in front of this, means we are supplying positive bias. If I give black one, it will be a negative bias. Now, and see, from this yellow wire, a common ground arrangement, means whole this column will become a same potential. What is that potential? This will be ground, because this is your ground, and this is the ground for the input, and this is the ground for the output, because all the ground must be connected to one ground. And this is the positive biasing we want to give. This is how we are given. Suppose if you want to give the negative biasing, then disconnect this one and just give your black wire. This will give you negative biasing. Now I will be showing your output. Now before going to circuit, now this is the circuit that we have made the connection. Now you are going to see that this output for the positive biasing, and for negative biasing you are going to see this output. Now I am connecting, showing in same frame. Now if you see, this is the 5 volt input that we have connected. If you want to see, the 2 volt is the channel limit, so 2, 2, 4, 5 sin omega t we have connected, and we are going to get a positive clipping. Now what I am going to do, I am going to insert a positive bias. Now when I have inserted the positive bias, see, I have inserted the positive bias. Now what I am going to do, slightly I am going to change this voltage. Now slowly if I change the voltage, now your curve will be also changing. See, now V reference has been come to here. If you see the V reference, if you want to see the maximum V reference is 5.2, and this is the supply that we have. Now let us reduce that V reference to around 1.5 volt. Now here you will be seeing around 1.76 volt that we are getting. Now if I did reduce further V reference, now you are going to get around 0. So in positive only you can change the V reference. Now what I am going to do, I am going to apply the negative V reference. Now if I apply negative V reference, I am going to remove this red wire, and I am going to bring this black wire. Now if I bring the black wire and connect here, which you have seen, and now I am increasing this voltage. This is the voltage negative reference. You will be seeing the curve is shifting downward. Now let me increase. Now I have increased to 2.3 volt. Now you will be seeing the maximum is minus 2.16. So this is the V reference that we have set minus, and the minimum value is minus 4.24, means minimum value where the hour it must be minus 4.24. Why? Because minimum is minus 5 volt. The input voltage is minimum minus 5 volt. That minus 5 plus 0.6, it is going to give you minus 4.24. Now we are just interested in the maximum value. Just go on the maximum value, because this is the reference that now we have set to 4.6. Now diminish. Now let me decrease this value. If I decrease this value, now I have set to, again let me set to 3.2 value. 3.2. Now V minimum max has been set to 3.12 voltage. Now if you see, now I am going to change my diode connection. Now you will be seeing, now what I am going to do, I am going to change the diode connection, and we are going to see this kind of output for the positive bias and this kind of output for the negative bias. Now we are going to change the diode. Now connection. Now this is your diode. Now I am changing the diode connection. This is the diode connection I have changed. Now let me start with the positive. Now for positive, what I need to do? I need to connect this positive. I have connected this positive. Now I am increasing my voltage. Now let me increase. Now see, I have increased the voltage. Now what is the voltage? That 2.4 I have done. Let reduce this V, because we are looking at a channel for 2.4, and you must get V minimum 2.4. This is a V minimum of this voltage. The blue one is your output. This is the blue one, that is your output, and that has been connected to channel 2. If you want to see, this is the channel 2 where we have connected, and this is your blue one where we are going to see the output. This is your blue one, and if I change my limit, now let me change to 3.6. Now you will be seeing the V minimum is 3.6. Whatever the V reference will be, that V minimum will be the voltage. Now let me go, and if you want to see the in series, that there is, now let me decrease this biasing. Now this is the biasing that I am doing, around 1.5. Now if you want to enlarge this one, let me enlarge. See, still there is a slight delay, and then you are going to get that output. This delay was very important in the series connection. In parallel connection, you won't see this delay, a small delay. So this is your series connection with the positive bias. Now I am going to remove this wire, and I am going to insert this black wire for the negative reference. Now this is the negative reference that we have set. Now let me increase this value. Now suppose I am increasing to 1. Now 2 it has been increased. Now you see, now this is the reference that we have set. Now if you see that output is, now if you see, now I have connected this one negative. Now let me increase this one V. Fine, I am increased slowly, so that the output you will see the V reference is slowly shifting. And if I increase in a coarse manner, then it will be shifting. Now if you want to see this value, this is 2.7, and the minimum how much you are getting, minus 2.80, almost similar 2.0, and this is minus 2.80 we are getting. So this is all about the series clipper circuit with the positive as well as the negative bias.